Engine removal. Disassembly of piston connecting rod group and cylinder liner. Common tools for engine disassembly include sleeve tool, marking pen, gantry, torque wrench, flat screwdriver. Special tools for engine disassembly include cylinder liner puller, guide. Dismantling the piston connecting rod assembly. Rotate the cylinder body 90 degrees. Use a socket wrench to remove the two connecting rod bolts. Remove the connecting rod cap and the lower bearing shell. Install two guide pins. Grasp the guide pin and push out the piston connecting rod assembly from the cylinder. Remove the guide pin from the connecting rod and mark the cylinder position on the connecting rod cap and connecting rod with a marker pen. Turning the crankshaft. Remove the piston connecting rod assembly of other cylinders using the same method. Dismantling the crankshaft. Rotate the cylinder block 90 degrees so that the crankshaft is facing upwards. Use a torque wrench to loosen the main bearing bolts. Note that before disassembly, it is necessary to check whether the position number and forward-facing markings on each bearing cover are clear and visible. When you can't see clearly, use a marker to mark it before disassembling it. Remove the main bearing cap by shaking the two main bearing cap bolts. Remove the other main bearing covers in sequence. Use a flat screwdriver to remove the crankshaft thrust plates on both sides of the sixth main bearing. Note that the position should be properly marked on the thrust bearing. Use lifting tools to lift down the crankshaft. Removing cylinder liner. Using a cylinder liner puller to remove the cylinder liner. Remove the cylinder liner disassembly tool.